How to sync your Ultra Pods wireless earphones to a OnePlus Watch 2. So I'm going to show you how to enable the Bluetooth settings and connect a Bluetooth wireless earphones. These are the Ultra Pods, and let's get started. So first things first, on your OnePlus Watch itself, you can swipe from the very top like this here. Then you will want to look for the Bluetooth toggle. If it's not there, you'll tap on the settings. And within the settings of your OnePlus Watch itself here, you'll go to where it says Bluetooth right here. As you tap on that, that's going to take you into the Bluetooth settings. You want to make sure this right here is turned on, the switch. Then select Pair New Device. It's going to start searching for nearby devices. And while it's doing that here, these in particular, when you take them out together at the same time out of the case like this here, they will enter into a pairing mode state. Okay, so just wait for them to sync up to each other here. And then one will remain in a blinking mode like this here, which is your pairing mode state. And when that starts to happen, you can now come back here again. If it stops scanning, just go ahead and scan for nearby devices once again. That's going to start searching, and you're going to look for what's known as TWS or whatever the name of your earbuds or earphones are. You'll select that. It's going to say pairing, and you want to select the check mark so you can secure it. And it's going to say it's connecting. It says make sure that's all set. And you're going to see it is connected. And to know that these are connected, these earphones in particular, they will stop blinking once you have them all set and ready to go. So if this guide was helpful in any way whatsoever, do hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.